Hello children, in this video we are going to study EVS chapter 8, Reaching Grandmother's House, page number 63. Now children, in this question they are telling, look at this picture of railway station, find the following information on the ticket and circle them with different colors and discuss. The train number. Now children, where is the train number? See here, train number it is given. So it is what? 9037. Now children, the date of the start of the journey. The date of the start of the journey here, see, 21/12/2000, 24/12/2006. Now children, the berth and the coach numbers. See here, berth and coach numbers are given 21, 23 and 22. 21, 23 and 22. And children, the fare, the cost of the ticket is how much? Here it is given that cash 2,578 here children. Okay, now children, they are asking, right, what other information you can find out from the ticket. Now children, here boarding station is Bandra Terminal, coach number A1, name of the train is Awadh Express. Okay children, now a railway timetable gives detail about the route of every train, the stations along the route, what time the train will reach and leave each station, the distance covered, etc. We can buy a railway timetable from the railway station. Now children, some portion of the timetable for the route of the train on which Omna travelled are given. Look carefully at it and answer the following questions. Now children, here in this timetable, here it is given station name, arrival time, departure time, distance in kilometers and day they reached. Here the stations they have given from 1 to 14. The train started from Gandhinagar and till Nagarkol, till 14 number it went children. Okay, now here the number of days it took to go till here is also mentioned. Now children, let's solve. Now let's see the questions. Circle the names of all the stations in the timetable that are mentioned in the Omna's diary. Now children, circle the names of all the stations in the timetable that are mentioned in Omna's diary. Now children, we came across the name Gandhidham, Ahmedabad, Valsad, Madgaon, Udupi, Kozhikode and Kottayam in Omna's diary. Now children, they are asking from which station did the train start. Now here, if you look at the timetable, you see the train started from Gandhi Dham. So our answer will be children, the train started from Gandhi Dham station. Okay children. Now children, they are asking how many minutes did the train stop at Ahmedabad station. Now for finding this train stop time children, we have to see at what time the train arrived at Ahmedabad and at what time it left Ahmedabad. So here arrival time and departure time we have to see of the train. Now children, here in timetable we see that it arrived at 11:30 and it left Ahmedabad at 11:50. So how long it stopped here? For 20 minutes. So our answer will be children, the train stopped for 20 minutes at Ahmedabad station. Now children, they are asking on which day of the journey did the train reach Madgaon. Now children, in the day column we will see this, at what day did the train reach Madgaon. Now see children, here Madgaon is at 7th number and here it reached Madgaon at day 2. So our answer will be children, the train reached Madgaon on the second day of the journey. Okay. Now children, Sunil and Anne got off at Kozhikode station. Omna got off at Kottayam station. How many hours does the train take to reach Kottayam from Kozhikode? Now children, see, again I am repeating, how many hours does the train take to reach Kottayam from Kozhikode? Now children, here we will see Kozhikode departure time. It left Kozhikode at 17:50, 17 hours 50 minutes, and it reached Kottayam at 23 hours 50 minutes. So how long children it took? See, 17:50, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 and 23. That means 6 hours it took children. The distance, the train takes 6 hours to reach from Kozhikode to Kottayam. Now children, they are asking what is the distance that the train travelled over the whole route. Now children, the distance travelled by the train in whole route is 2649 kilometer. So our answer will be, the distance that the train travelled over the whole route is 2649 kilometers. Now children, how many kilometers did Omna travel by train? Now children, to find this we have to see from where did Omna boarded. She got in from Ahmedabad, which was 301, which was at 301 kilometer. Now children, and she get down at Kottayam, that was 2418. Now to find the total distance traveled by Omna children, we have to subtract 2418 minus 301. That will give you children 2117. So here the answer will be Omna traveled a distance of 2117 kilometer by train. Okay children, now here is one activity that you can have children. Would you like to keep a diary? Take a notebook or a diary every day for a week. Write about what you did. Also write your thoughts and feeling and share your diary with your friends. So this is the activity that you can try it at your own children. And with this we have completed lesson number 8. Now in the next video we will study chapter 9, changing families. Till then, bye children, have a nice time.